Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here we go with another delicious dish. This one is going to be stuffed bell peppers with shrimp. So I'm really excited about this. I'm going to go ahead and use about a cup to a cup and a half of shrimp. We're going to go ahead and peel them, take out the poopy, and we are going to go ahead and cut them up into tiny little pieces, almost like ground beef, because we're gonna go ahead and stuff the bell peppers with these. If you don't know how to clean them up, right here you can see we cut with the scissors, and then you take out the little poopy from the middle part. Sometimes it's a little hard for me, but I can do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop it. My husband takes over after this because I'm struggling with the nails, and I'm like, why am I struggling? He can help me. He's gonna help me out. We're gonna go ahead and put about half a stick of butter. We got all our shrimp diced. We have celery in here in tiny little pieces, as you guys can see. We have some potato, some carrots, some cilantro, and some onions. So we're gonna start with the onions first. Let's go ahead and grill these up with our butter. He wanted to do everything very separate, and we went ahead and did a tablespoon of minced garlic. This is going to give it such an amazing flavor. You could use real garlic if you want, if that's what you have, but you have to be careful with it not to overcook it. So I would have to put it like towards the end. I feel like mine's is totally different from the one that we use at home fresh. Right here we're going to go ahead and throw in the potato. So he wanted to grill everything separately so that it can grab its own different flavors. This is looking amazing. Let's throw in the shrimp along with the celery. I believe the celery is in here already. The carrots and the cilantro, that's towards the end. So right here we got everything. Let's add a little garlic powder, a little onion powder in here, some black pepper, and see how we threw in the cilantro and the carrots towards the end. We're gonna go ahead and mix everything up. Let's go ahead and stuff these. We had 2 cups of rice, of jasmine rice on the side already cooked. I didn't mention that, but make sure you have 2 cups of jasmine rice on the side, and you stuff them on the bottom, and then you put the mixture and cheese on the top. You can use mozzarella, or you can use Monterey Jack, which is what we used. And right here we just have a little salsa de pato. We didn't make a homemade one. This is kind of a lazy recipe, but very delicious. I feel like the salsa de pato goes really great with these because it's shrimp. So it gives that little spice. If you don't want it spiced, then just use a regular tomato sauce. And you can do a little mixture with some seasonings in it. And here we're going to go ahead and put some cheese. We're going to go ahead and 375 in the oven in about 15 to 20 minutes, you guys.